Welcome to ESDT presentation. Digital currency is an asset such as money, which is stored or exchanged primarily on digital computer systems, especially over the internet. The types of digital currency include cryptocurrency, virtual currency, and central bank digital currency. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system, which does not depend on banks to carry out transactions. It is a peer-to-peer system, which enables anyone to send and receive payments anywhere. You are by storing your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. Cryptocurrency has got this name because to do the transaction, it confirms by verifying the transactions. This system runs completely on the blockchain. ESDT token is created using the world's fastest and secure blockchain and technology from BEP20 connected to Binance. Technical information of the token. Token name ESD token. Short name ESDT. Total supply 110 million means 11 crore. Technology BEP20. Token distribution will be 70% network marketing, 30% open market SI exchanges. The company is giving you service from day one, like bill payment, hotel booking, money transfer, flight booking, and many more. ESD token is listed on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is an international decentralized exchange. The company has many projects, which is going to bring the future. Token price will increase for these projects. Company's first project. The company owns an e-commerce portal. In this, the user buys the product from ESD token. Second project. The company is bringing its gaming platform. In 2020, the gaming industry generated $155 billion revenue. Analysts predict the industry will generate more than $260 billion in revenue. Third project. The company is coming with its domestic money transfer app, which you can use like GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, etc. In this you can also transact with ESD token. All these projects will increase the price of ESD token. Welcome to a mighty plan. So let's understand how the system works. The system runs on the system of refer and earn. Registration free. Types of income. 1. Monthly profit income. 2. Level income. 3. Team profit income. 4. Rewards. The company has 3 types of packages. The first is the package Intro. $10 to $99. In this, the company gives you up to 6% monthly trading profit in the form of ESD token. In this, you will be given basic training of cryptocurrency and stock market on behalf of the company, offline or online as you wish. The second package is basic, $100 to $1,249. In this, the company gives you 7% monthly trading profit in the form of ESD token. In this, you will get training in cryptocurrency and stock market on behalf of the company in this cryptocurrency and blockchain development training also included. The third package is advanced, $1,250 to $12,500. In this the company gives you 10% trading profit in the form of ESD token. In this education package, in which you will get cryptocurrency, stock market, spot, future trading will be taught. As long as you will get all 3 packages trading profit, till your money is not double. Level income. You can take income up to 10 levels by referring to the plan. Level 1, 5% will be available. Level 2, 4% will be available. Level 3 will get 3%. Level 4, 2% will be available. From level 5 to level 10, 1 to 1% will come on each level. Same 10 level, you also get passive income. If a user starts with $100 or 8,000 rupees and makes his direct team of 4 people, he will get one-time income according to 5% on the first level. $20, 1,600 rupees. After that, from next month, those people who have invested $100 to $100, those who are going to get monthly trading profit income. His accounting company is giving passive income to seniors on trading profit income. Above puzzle bar investments. For the second time, trading is giving profit on top of profit. You will get money in the same percent. If you work in a matrix of 10 level 4 on the first level, 16 on the second level, 64 on the third level, thus up to level 10 with $100 or 8,000 rupees. So the one-time income of yours is made around 11 crore rupees. And that is passive income. 67 lakhs per month on monthly basis. For the next 2 to 3 years. There is one condition in this plan. The business you started with $10 or whatever. After that you will definitely do business of $600 in your direct. From this you will continue to earn 10 level income. If you go with $600 as the base. And let's move on to the matrix of 7. So your team is formed in 5 levels. From this you get one-time income. Approx. 1 crore 10 lakh. And your monthly income becomes to lakh for 2 to 3 years. The next income is business rewards. The first is the rank. Bronze. To get rewards, you have to work into or more legs like in bronze. $3,000, then you should have $1,500 business. In your one strong leg, $1,500 business should be. So you get $75 and 75 ESDT. Tokens. The tokens of rewards will be on staking for 2 years. Terms and conditions. 1. 10% admin, 5 to 5, charges applicable. 2. Withdrawal of monthly dividend only in ESDT. Token. 3. The company takes all these cryptocurrency BNB, USDT, Ethereum, TRX. Note, all data is assumed in the company plan. Income may be differing as shown above. Join leaders fast and take your top position and start making money trading crypto. You can join the system through its official website. Thanks for watching this video. www.esdtoken.com